look around you. Take a moment to truly observe your surroundings, the intricate details that make up our world. Feel the grass beneath your feet, smell the fresh air, notice the subtle textures and the gentle breeze that carries the scent of nature. See the vibrant colors of the world, the reds, blues and greens that paint our landscapes, each hue telling a story of life and vitality. This is Earth, our home, a planet teeming with diversity from its vast oceans to its towering mountains. Oceans of water cover most of our planet. These vast bodies of water are home to countless species, each playing a role in the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Vast forests stretch across continents. These green giants are the lungs of our planet, providing oxygen and shelter to myriad forms of life. Clouds drift lazily in the sky. They bring rain, shade, and a sense of wonder as they morph and change shape. Earth teems with life in countless forms. From the dense jungles to the deep oceans, life finds a way to thrive in every corner. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, life thrives on this planet. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the web of life. We are part of this web of life, connected to everything around us. Our actions have a profound impact on the environment and the creatures we share it with. As beautiful as Earth is, it's just a tiny speck in the vastness of space. Our planet is one of billions in the galaxy, each with its own story. To understand our place in the universe, we must leave our home and venture outwards. The journey to the stars begins with a single step, a leap into the unknown. Our journey begins by leaving the ground and ascending into the blackness above. As we rise, Earth becomes a distant memory, a beautiful blue dot in the vast expanse of space. We climb higher and higher, leaving Earth's surface behind. The air thins and the sky turns a deep, dark blue. Soon we reach space, the final frontier. Looking back, we see our planet in its entirety, a swirling blue and green sphere. It's a sight that few have witnessed, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. We are now in Earth's orbit, a cosmic dance floor where satellites whirl around our planet. These man-made objects help us communicate, navigate, and understand our world, but they also serve as a reminder of humanity's growing presence in space. Our journey is just beginning. Our next destination is a familiar sight in our night sky, the moon. This celestial body has captivated humanity for centuries. Its cratered surface tells a tale of cosmic collisions. Vast plains of solidified lava speak of a fiery past. The moon is our closest celestial neighbor, a silent guardian in the vastness of space. It controls our planet's tides and lights up our night sky. As we leave the moon behind, we venture further into the solar system, our sights set on new wonders. Our solar system is a cosmic ballet of planets, moons, asteroids and comets, all orbiting the sun. This grand dance has been ongoing for billions of years, ever since the solar system formed from a giant molecular cloud. The sun, a massive ball of burning gas, sits at the center, providing the gravitational pull that keeps everything in motion. Each celestial body is unique, with its own story to tell. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, every planet has distinct characteristics that make it special. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, experiences extreme temperatures, while Venus, with its thick, toxic atmosphere, is a world of intense heat and pressure. Mars, the red planet, beckons with the possibility of past life. Its surface is dotted with ancient river valleys and lake beds, suggesting that water once flowed there. Scientists are eager to explore Mars further, hoping to uncover clues about its history and the potential for life beyond Earth. Jupiter, a gas giant, reigns supreme with its swirling storms and numerous moons. The Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. Jupiter's moons, like Ganymede and Europa, are fascinating worlds in their own right, with icy surfaces and potential subsurface oceans. Saturn, adorned with its stunning rings, is a sight to behold. These rings are made up of countless ice and rock particles, creating a dazzling display. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane, making it one of the most intriguing places in the solar system. We weave through the asteroid belt, a region of rocky debris left over from the solar system's formation. These asteroids vary in size, from tiny pebbles to massive rocks. Some even have their own moons. The asteroid belt is a reminder of the chaotic beginnings of our solar system. Comets, cosmic snowballs of ice and dust streak past, leaving trails of vapor in their wake. These icy wanderers originate from the distant reaches of the solar system in regions known as the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. When they approach the sun, they heat up and release gas and dust, creating their iconic tails. Our solar system is a place of wonder and beauty, a testament to the power of gravity and the forces that shaped our universe. From the smallest asteroid to the largest planet, every component plays a role in this intricate cosmic dance. As we continue to explore and learn more about our solar system, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and majesty of the universe we call home. Leaving the solar system behind, we enter interstellar space, the vast gulf between stars. Here, the darkness is profound, punctuated only by the distant glow of stars. Giant clouds of gas and dust, called nebulae, drift through this interstellar sea. These cosmic nurseries are where new stars are born. We encounter pulsars, rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. These cosmic lighthouses sweep across the galaxy, their signals detectable from vast distances. Interstellar space, once thought to be empty, is teeming with activity, a symphony of cosmic forces at play. As we journey onwards, we begin to see the grand structure of our galaxy, the Milky Way. From our vantage point, it appears as a band of light stretching across the sky. This band is actually composed of billions of stars, all orbiting a common center. We approach the galactic center, a region of intense activity. A supermassive black hole, a cosmic monster with unimaginable gravity, lurks at the heart of our galaxy. Around it, stars whirl in a dizzying dance, their orbits governed by the black hole's immense pull. Our journey takes us beyond the Milky Way into the realm of deep space. Here we encounter other galaxies, each a vast island universe unto itself. Spiral galaxies like our own spin gracefully. Elliptical galaxies glow with the light of billions of stars. Irregular galaxies showcase the chaotic beauty of cosmic collisions. Quasars, distant objects powered by supermassive black holes, shine with incredible luminosity. Gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe, flash across the cosmos, signaling the death throes of massive stars. Deep space is a realm of both beauty and violence, a testament to the ongoing evolution of the universe. As we venture further out, we begin to grasp the true vastness of the universe. Billions of galaxies populate the observable universe, each containing billions of stars. The sheer scale of it all is almost incomprehensible. Our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy pale in comparison to the immensity of it all. And yet this is just the observable universe, the portion of the cosmos that we can see from Earth. Scientists believe that the universe extends far beyond what we can observe, perhaps infinitely far. The true extent of the cosmos remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. Our journey through the universe has taken us from the familiar comfort of Earth, a small blue dot in the vast expanse of space, teeming with life and vibrant ecosystems. This planet, our home, is just one of countless worlds in the cosmos. We have ventured to the edge of the observable universe, peering into the depths of space with powerful telescopes. These instruments have revealed the beauty and power of the cosmos, showing us galaxies that are billions of light years away, each one a collection of stars, planets, and possibly life. From the birth of stars in vast nebulae, where clouds of gas and dust coalesce under the force of gravity, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to new suns. These stellar nurseries are the cradles of creation, where the elements that make up our world are forged, to the dance of galaxies, where massive collections of stars, gas, and dark matter interact in a cosmic ballet. These galactic collisions and mergers shape the structure of the universe, creating new galaxies and triggering waves of star formation. This journey has given us a new perspective on our place in the universe. We are but a small part of something much greater than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven from stardust. The very atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across the cosmos by supernovae, and eventually coalesced to form planets, life, and us, shaped by forces that have been at work for billions of years, from the Big Bang to the present day. This realization should fill us with a sense of wonder and humility. It should also inspire us to learn more about the universe and our place in it. For in exploring the cosmos, we are also exploring ourselves, delving into the very nature of existence and the origins of life, seeking answers to the fundamental questions about our existence. The universe is our ultimate frontier, a vast and uncharted expanse that beckons us to explore and discover its secrets. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of the cosmos and our place within it. And its exploration is a journey that will continue for generations to come. As we push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, we will uncover new wonders and face new challenges. The quest to understand the universe is a testament to our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our enduring spirit of exploration.